Greetings from MikeTubers. Today we are going to two random car shows. One's called Cars and Coffee, which I'm excited about. Last year was really awesome. You got to see really amazing exotic cars, and the next one is at a Walmart. What? Yeah. So yeah, let's go.
Far I go to get it right, the more you take away. You may care for me, say you're there for me. You decide, no need to wait.
Is it a mirage or just product placement?
Hey, who cares? With shopping convenience at such low prices. Water, Fresca, Mountain Dew, your product name here.
That was a very interesting car show experience, but yeah, that's all for this time. Stay tuned for next week, where my favorite car show of this year is coming up. Is the Stone Oak car show is coming up, and I'm so excited for that, and I got some awesome footage for you guys. Wow. It's the morning burps. The morning burps are invading, but then I got another vlog coming up for you guys, which will be exciting. And yeah, that's all for this time. So stay tuned for those. Hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.